How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What's your favorite hobby?
I enjoy reading in my free time.
Did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I had a relaxing weekend.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
What do you do for a living?
I work in marketing.
Have you traveled recently?
No, not recently.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like rock music.
Did you watch any interesting movies lately?
I saw a great thriller last night.
How do you usually start your day?
I start my day with a cup of coffee.
What's your favorite season? I love autumn.
I love autumn.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I'm more of a tea person.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, I'm more of a night owl.
What's your favorite book?
To Kill a Mockingbird is a classic I love.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
Are you a cat or a dog person?
I prefer dogs.
Do you have any upcoming travel plans?
Not at the moment.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I enjoy Italian food.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I try to stay active.
How do you unwind after a long day?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one sister.
What's your favorite color?
Blue has always been my favorite.
Do you enjoy watching sports?
Yes, I'm a fan of soccer.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I would love to visit Japan.
Are you a good cook?
I'm still learning, but I try my best.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner to keep track of my tasks.
Do you prefer mountains or beaches?
I love the tranquility of mountains.
What's your favorite board game?
I enjoy playing Scrabble.
How do you handle stress?
I take short breaks and practice deep breathing.
Do you like attending live concerts?
Yes, I love the energy of live music.
How do you handle stress?
I take short breaks and practice deep breathing.
What's your favorite dessert?
I have a sweet tooth for chocolate cake.
Are you a morning or night shower person?
I prefer taking showers in the morning.
What's your go-to karaoke song?
Bohemian Rhapsody by Queen.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
What's your favorite app on your phone?
I use Spotify for music.
Are you a fan of spicy food?
Yes, I like a bit of spice.
How do you take your coffee?
I like it with a splash of milk.
Do you have any allergies?
Fortunately, no allergies.
What's your favorite type of workout?
I enjoy jogging.
Do you believe in luck?
I believe in creating your own luck.
How do you like to spend your Sundays?
Sundays are for relaxation and reading.
Do you enjoy attending social events?
It depends on my mood, but I do like socializing.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Going on family vacations.
Are you a morning coffee or evening tea person?
I prefer morning coffee.
How do you handle boredom?
I usually find something creative to do.
Do you have any phobias?
Not particularly.
How do you celebrate your achievements?
I usually treat myself to something special.
What's your favorite TV show?
Currently enjoying a crime drama series.
How do you keep up with the news?
I read news articles online regularly.